gonna do spark plugs. Why do I keep having to bend down for these videos? Yours will probably be different unless you're running audio coils. But same concept. You normally have a bolt right there, and then you unplug it, pull the coil pack off, and then unscrew the spark plug, screw the new one back in, and put everything back together. Super easy. I'm just putting a screwdriver between these clips, slide them right out. So this one, I just pull this clip back, and then I can slide the whole thing out. I don't know why I'm smelling it. That looks pretty ugly. Look at that. Wow. That does not look good at all. So that tube has all a bunch of red shit in there. I don't know what that's from. Alright, 4 more times, that's it. I'm not going to film the rest of it. I want to talk about the oil restrictor for this turbo. So a lot of people are saying on YouTube is not to put a restrictor on there. Okay. So I ordered this thinking it was that all the way through. I didn't realize it has that little pinhole restrictor on there. So I was just going to match that size up there and just drill it out. That was my plan to fix all this. I'm going to the manufacturer's website. I think it's a 065 restrictor, which is about 1/16 of an inch. That still looks smaller than 1/16 of an inch. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drill this out to 1/16 of an inch. Drill bit, 1/16. I got them from Home Depot. That looks about right. Alright, now that we got this all drilled out, let's go ahead and put it on. Got the gasket right here. Thinking of taking a measurement of that pipe and cutting it there. Maybe I could put this here. So in order to make this work, I'm cutting this off. And how I'm doing it, I am just going to use one of these guys. So got a Harbor Freight, it's used for cutting tailpipes. So I should cut this just fine, I'm thinking.